There are a few other exercises that are basic but are good to add to your leg and kind of cardio slash strength slash quickness routine, right? So some things are, you can do a simple motion like this and then speed it up, right? You can speed it up to something like this. Sorry, just hit a wall. And see if you can do this for 30 seconds, a minute. You can do a walking speed. This is walking speed. This is jogging speed. Now this is running speed, right? So what you want to do is, whatever your fitness level is, you can see I just made myself, I'm not out of shape, but I just made myself out of breath from talking and running. But you can see that simple exercises like this, you can do in one spot, will get you, no matter what your condition is. If you just want walking, fine, this is also a good stretch. If you're stretching, but later, you can make it as hard as you want by adding the quickness. And if you're playing sports, if you're in a team, what you want is the quickness, right? Right? That's what you want to. If you're training for competitive sports, you want to go for the fast. But if you're any other level, just fitness, jogging speed.